What the fuck? Oh, hello there. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to this video and welcome to the wonderful land of Facebook where everything is right and everything is working 100% of the time. And today, I want to talk to you guys about how to use Facebook ads for your content marketing. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video and thank you for watching this video. And that's a real reaction that I get pretty much every day. Well, not every day, but at least once a week. When you launch an ad and it's not converting, it's kind of frustrating. But anyways, everything is good and we are on YouTube, so we need to pretend that everything is good and I'm balling and I have like stacks of dollars over there, but you cannot see them, and I have my Ferrari parked on the driveway, but you cannot see it because it's over there. Anyways, you know, we need to pretend maybe because that's what YouTubers do and have fun doing it. Now, I'm just kidding. I just love you guys and I just love being on YouTube, but I just want to be honest with you, and sometimes Facebook do not work as expected. So, you know, we're gonna be talking a little bit about that, how to actually make Facebook work for you, and I've been talking a lot about that on past videos. But in this video specifically, I wanted to focus on how to actually use Facebook for your content marketing. Now, with that said, I also want to invite you to the free Facebook group. I'm not telling you that you're gonna find the next best thing and the next, you know, shiny object, because that's not what we do there. If you're looking for a magic push bullet solution, you shouldn't be joining. But if you're serious about your business and you really want to learn the techniques that are working and, you know, have an accountability group and whatnot, you're more than welcome to join that free Facebook group. And also, if you want the real deal on Facebook marketing and YouTube marketing and email marketing and, you know, anything marketing related, Facebook ads and a bunch of other stuff, you should really consider joining this channel. There's not gonna be a lot of Ferraris for now, but there's gonna be a lot of the good stuff. So with that said, let's talk about Facebook as a way of getting your content out there. You know that I've been talking about conversions and I've been talking about these funnels and that funnel. There's gonna be a link over here so that you can check out my $5 a day super easy sales funnel if you're a beginner, so you can start over there, because that will take you to a bunch of other videos that you should be watching if you're a complete beginner. But if you really want to get your content out there, I strongly suggest that you start doing it ASAP. Why? Because the reality is that when you're running Facebook ads for content marketing, you can really build a really strong brand. Even further, if you're a content creator, if you're blogging out there, if you're having your YouTube videos upload and whatnot, you know that organic methods can be really frustrating. You know, if you're looking for if you're waiting for your articles to rank on Google, if you're looking for, you know, your YouTube videos to gain those organic views, it can get really frustrating, and it can be really a pain in the ass. So with that said, I want to tell you a little bit how to accelerate that process, and this could have several benefits for your business. Like, number one, you're actively providing content out there for people that haven't heard about you, so you get a lot more reach and you get a lot more awareness about your brand, which on the long run is a really good thing to have in mind. Number two, this is also a really cheap strategy, so you do not need to worry, because I see a lot of people worrying about, okay, if I put $1 on Facebook, I need to make $2 back immediately, and that's completely fine, and that should be the mindset that you have when approaching Facebook ads. But let's say that you're doing okay, or that you want to increase the growth of your content. You really want to consider the fact that maybe you can put away $5 a day or $3 a day and actually follow the instructions on this video so you can get your content a lot more out there. Last but not least, content is actually the best way to create goodwill in the marketplace. You know, I watched Tony Robbins live on Funnel Hacking Live 2018, and he was saying that, you know, if you drop his name on the middle of the Sahara Desert, you can pretty much fill an entire room or an auditorium or whatever. It's just because of the fact that he has been giving value, he's been putting out his best content out there for the past 20 years. So if you think about it, if you think about the compound effect that could have on people's minds, everybody and their mother know who Tony is, and I had the privilege to actually watch him live perform, you know, in a small group of 3,500 people, which in Tony's where that's a small group, and he would say that. So think about that for a minute. The power that could have putting your content out there, your best content out there, is immense, but it's a long-term strategy. That's why a lot of your competitors are not doing this. So with that said, there's two main roads that you can take when it comes to getting your content out there and how to use Facebook for content marketing. Number one is, as I'm doing right now, is to record videos. Videos are by far one of the best way to go if you want to create rapport with your potential audience, if you want to get out there, start gathering leads for your consulting practice and whatnot. Video content is the best way to go. Not only that, but video is also the more versatile or the most versatile type of content that you can put out there. If you think about it, with videos you have images, you have audio, you have moving stuff in the screen, whatnot, and you can turn all of those into posts for some other platforms like your blog post, your podcast, your Instagram profile. So videos is the way to go. So if you're putting out videos, the best way to go after you have put out a video is to run a video views campaign. Right now on Facebook is by far the cheapest, fastest way to grow an audience really big in a really short period of time without spending an arm and a leg. It's better than going out there and buying lists. It's better than going out there and running lead campaigns, whatever. If you want to build an audience, if you're really wanting to build an audience around a brand, give this a shot. Put out your best content on video, upload to Facebook natively, and run video views campaign to those target demographics that you really want to be on top of their mind. And this will be the best investment of your money and time for the upcoming month. So number one is to, again, create videos, launch video views campaigns. The other way, number two, if you don't want to create videos or if you're camera shy, whatever, I would still strongly suggest that you go ahead and step out of your comfort zone and go ahead and create videos. But if you're blogging, meaning writing blog posts in your website, the other best way to do this is to actually run ViewContent campaigns on Facebook. So a lot of people, what they would do is to have they would have a blog post and they will run click campaigns. Or traffic campaigns. I would strongly suggest that you do not do that. Just because of the fact that you're running traffic campaigns, it doesn't mean that you will get traffic, and that's by Facebook reps themselves. A click is a click, it's not a visitor. So some people will go ahead, they're clicky, that's why Facebook will put them on the traffic campaigns or the traffic category, because they're clicky, they like to click things. So they will click on things and then they will forget. So they will never reach your landing pages or your blog posts. So the remedy to that is to actually run ViewContent campaigns. A ViewContent is a type of event that you can trigger with your pixel. If you have any questions about pixel, you can check out this video that will walk you through the entire pixel setup. So if you have a ViewContent pixel firing on each of your blog posts and you run a conversion campaign on which the view content is the main event that you want to trigger, then you will get a lot more visitors, way cheaper and way more effective than if you're going after clicks or traffic campaigns, the way they're called right now on Facebook. So no matter what you're doing, if you're doing video views natively on Facebook, or if you want to bring people out of Facebook and into your blog posts, I would strongly suggest that you use Facebook ads for content marketing. It will accelerate your results. You're getting cheapest traffic than on AdWords, for example. It's a different kind of traffic, but still it's really relevant if you know how to target. And at the end of the day, it will help with your SEO because you can start getting traffic to your blog and it will get on social signals and whatnot. So that can really help you with your SEO efforts. And you can actually start testing content right now before having to wait 6 months down the road for Google to start ranking you. So there you have it, guys. I always recommend that you throw some Facebook ads to your SEO strategy, that you throw some Facebook ads to your content marketing strategy, because that will accelerate your results and you will have way better results and you will get a lot data a lot faster than if you had to wait for organic methods to kick in. Again, guys, as usual, if you have any questions whatsoever, just drop them in the comments below. There's going to be links around here for the resources. If you have any questions, you can come join the free Facebook group. And yeah, don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. It will make me so happy. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.